How to log into Mycoles account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into Mycoles account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Click on search bar at top of the screen and type in mycoles.com.au. Press enter on your keyboard. After waiting patiently, you will reach on the official interface of Mycoles, where you can scroll down and click the Login to My Mycoles button. You have to wait again, and then you have to enter your username and password in order to sign in to your Mycoles account. After that, click on the Sign In button at bottom of the screen or this menu box, and then you can easily sign in to your Mycoles account. You can even come across this section and then enter your username and the password as well. In case if you forgot your password or username, you can click on the underneath link. And after that, you can easily recover and re-enter on this username box and password section. Click on login button and you can easily log into your Mycoles account through this way as well. That is how we log into Mycoles account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.